This is Sable. Sable came from an animal shelter upstate. She's just over a year old, and she's a mix of Dobie and something else. Maybe Lab, because her fur is longer than a Dobie, and she's a little stouter than most Dobies. Sable is healthy, energetic, and athletic. While she was mellow and easy on leash with us, this young dog could use a home where she'll get plenty of exercise. We found Sable to be gently affectionate and delightful to be with. While Sable initially got along with the male Dobie she was kenneled with, we think she'd be best as the only dog in the home. We like Sable a lot, and we think that with love, training, and exercise, she'll make a terrific companion.